Do you ever wish that you could have on hand a ready-to-serve appetizer for guests when they stop by? I'm going to show you how to make herb-marinated goat cheese. So it's so easy. You take a portion of the most Chevrolet goat cheese, roll it into a ball. I have equal parts dried rosemary and thyme. Then you want to roll it again to press into the herbs and then submerge into olive oil. Keeps for up to 3 months in the refrigerator. So in serving, you can take and put them on a plate with some fresh herbs, and they're great with a baguette or here violet rose crackers. They're also great, you can put them on a pizza or place in coddled or scrambled eggs. So there you go, herb marinated goat cheese.